Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make creatives and videos that convert. First of all, we're going to go review some creatives that I've seen that work, and we're going to go through some ideas that works. But in general, more platforms are becoming based on algorithm and AI instead of actually human touch. For example, now you don't set up as much targeting as you used to before. Now you just kind of throw a creative, throw an offer, and leave the targeting and open and let it run. It's because the algorithm became so advanced, the AI became so advanced that we don't even need to pick the people where we serve this ad, which makes it even more important on our end to create ads that are good, ads that are call out. So like currently 80% I would say of the work of an ad media buyer should be creating ads. That's how important it is, creating videos, creatives, whatever you want to call them, to convert. So there's a kind of basic principles. Now I would recommend, while watching this, after watching this video, recommend watching more videos on creating ads. It's a very thing that a lot of people don't talk about, but it's very important for you to convert. So get as much information. I'm gonna kind of go through some basics. So first of all, let's get into the videos, and then I will kind of talk over what I like about them and don't like about them. So here's a video that kind of did well, so we're gonna kind of dissect it and go through it.
Yep, they're showing it again. So I got my $5,000.
So in the 3 seconds, this is something that's called a hook. Yep, they're showing again, this is how I get my $5,000. That's a hook. So everybody that needs $5,000, automatically got hooked on this video. And so it's typically a 3-second hook. So you want the first 3 seconds of your video is to hook people, right? And so then it goes on explaining what the offer does. So let's go over here.
The loan program was released last week, allowing Americans to get up to $5,000. You don't need any credit.
So super to the point, bang, 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 bang.
Requirements, nothing like that. I did it myself and got my money within 48 hours. You just come to this website right here, tell them what you're gonna use the money for, how much you'll need, and boom, just like that, you'll know if you're approved instantly. Click the link below to see how much you can get today.
So this video, what I like about it, is super fast paced, straight to the point. It hooks you, it talks a little bit what it is, and then it shows you how. So that's kind of the formula that I like using: hook, explain, show, right? So let's look at another video.
This new Safe Driver card replaced my auto insurance.
Bam, that was the hook, right? So it's a little longer, 4 seconds. So this replaced my auto insurance. And so as you can see here, the document and the card, that's created for validation. Just like we saw the other video, right? It was of a TV, right? That creates an extra layer of trust. So you hook them, but you also build trust, right? So you hook them, but you also show something in real life. Like, oh crap, right?
This free program as well and pay as low as $29 a month. Find out if you are eligible. Swipe left.
So in this video, it hooks you, kind of explains it, doesn't necessarily show you how, but it does say swipe left, so it kind of gives you, check if you're eligible. It kind of gives you this mystery, like, well, let me see if I'm eligible, and it kind of creates a mystery of, let me check it out. Again, 80% of the video is hooks, so if you really get the hooks down, you can really create really good content. So focus on the hooks. I mean, I would take hours just writing hooks down. Very important. Let's move on to the next video. Let me actually show you a video, not how to do a video. So here's the one video.
Hey guys, check out this new auto relief.
So bam, right, 4-5 seconds, right? It's check, hey guys, check this out. You don't want to do that. Look, it's a swipe, right? TikTok, someone's watching, hey guys, swipe. It needs to be bam, 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 snappy.
I was paying $167 a month for car insurance, but after I got this new Safe Driver Relief program, my insurance is now only $29 a month. It is crazy.
So again, watching this video, it looks like somebody's selling you, right? So it's like emotions, right? I mean, emotions are good, storytelling is good, but just kind of the creatives that I like. This is like, when you watch something, do you want to scroll through it? If yes, then it's a bad creative. Make another one. So that's a really good gauge, because like, you're on TikTok all the time, right? On YouTube Shorts, Facebook, we watch these YouTube videos. We know when something is scrollable or not. So really pay attention to that, right? Everybody would almost scroll on this right away. So those are the kind of style I like, more of that realistic style, personal. Pull out your phone and start making creatives. Here's the one that's more of a video editing creative.
So glad I found this before I sold my house. I applied for this 2023 bathroom remodel relief service before.
So, right, the first 2 seconds, I am so glad I got this before selling my house. Not anybody that's selling a house, boom, hooks them. So your hook is trying to get your target audience, and it's trying to get them interested in watching the videos.
And was able to get a brand new bathroom for my home. When the appraiser came, I was shocked at how much it brought up the value of the house. I just wish I had done it sooner. If you have an outdated bathroom, click the button below and get approved for a new bathroom in less than 2 minutes.
Again, straight just kind of talks about a bathroom remodel. I mean, not very much to it. I wouldn't put this as the best creative that I've seen, but it's okay. But as you can see, you could also edit videos together, so you kind of mash them up and talk. It doesn't always have to have a real personal touch, but I like doing a real personal touch. Those videos tend to do better. So for example, you know, you could by yourself walk into a new bathroom if you're doing for bathroom, you know, remodels. So here's another video. I found this online somewhere, but it's not my favorite, but we'll go through it together. So Hook.
If you thought the gas prices were crazy, you need to watch this.
So that's not a really strong hook, right? If you thought the gas prices were crazy, it doesn't find your audience right away. So you want to find your audience in the first 3 seconds. A good example, let's say you're running solar ads. You could do an example as like, why would you pay for solar when you could get it at no cost, right? Or, you know, healthcare vertical. Why would you need to pay for healthcare when you could get it almost for free? So boom, you're attacking it and you're questioning them like, why would I? So that's what you want to create, that like, boom, the hook, and then pull them into the rest of the video. Let's keep watching this.
As of last December, a new benefit allows Americans to get paid to install solar on their home. That's right. For the first time, the government will pay you 26% of your cost for a new system, along with tax exemptions, rebates, free installation, no money down, and possibly free solar panels. Now is the very best time to switch to solar. I got my quote, and now I'm selling power back to the city for a profit.
So again, not my favorite video. Sounds salesy, kind of seems fake. You want videos that are not fake, just straight to the point, bam, bam, bam. But again, hook, guys, I'd put like 80% emphasis on the hook. Take a piece of paper, write hooks after hooks, just write multiple. So, you know, you take a vertical, and guys, there's so much hooks you can come up with. Like, you can always use things that are very in time, right? A lot of people are talking about AI, ChatGPT. So you could use like, you know, hooks as in, this AI program helped me get my, you know, lower my insurance rate, right? And it's a website. So there's different hooks that you can use and all work, but they need to catch the audience and make it relatable and have them watch the rest of the video. And then the rest of the video, you could explain what's going on. So yeah, those are just kind of some reviews of videos. Now, what I like doing is hiring people from Fiverr to create videos or do videos for me, and I typically use a document where I kind of outline everything and I go pretty specific. So here's like a document that we use. What are we looking for? Refer to attachment video as an example. Note this video is an example of how videos should turn out. So we talk about this project will require a TV, a laptop, if not. So whenever you hire somebody on Fiverr, you kind of want to give them this layout. Also, you can find these people if you just go on Fiverr and search spokesperson, then there'll be a lot of people. You can just hire them, and then you give script instructions, right? TV playing in the background, so give them a TV video. Recording, they're showing it again. This is how I got my $5,000. Scene, cameras to self-portrait. So no longer paying. So we literally write out everything, and so that's how you kind of have to be. You can't just be like, hey guys, you know, make a video for me. You have to be meticulous in how you make everything. So yeah, guys, again, very strong emphasis on creatives. That is 80%, and 80% of the creative is a hook. So really get that down, hone it, and you will not have a problem seeing good results, because almost everything is creatives now. So yeah, feel free to look at other videos. I'm here to help, here to provide value. You can join the Discord where we kind of talk with each other and help each other. I'm trying to be there on a daily basis, reply to all your guys' questions and comments. But yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys need any other advice or kind of video ideas. And if this video helped you, give it a like. Peace.